All I feel is blue. Black.
Hello guys and welcome back to another video of our AI tutorial. So today in this video we are going to make next things for the bot. So as in my previous video I told you that how to create the speech function and everything. So here as you can see we have made two files over there, recognize and speech, but as you can see here we have three files. So what are these three files? So in the speech one I have just made some changes. So what is the changes? So before we were using the Google text to speech module, but before that I have removed Google text to speech because it takes a lot of time to load and bring it to your output, to the output value. So what I have done is I have used the Python text to speech module, which is a good idea to use it. So as you can see here um, I have used the Python text to speech module, and here are some variables which I have created. So to check, so for this Python text to speech module, what you need to do is you need a voice installed in your computer, as it comes default. But if it is not installed, then you can go to the Microsoft page and install it. So okay, so after doing that, what we need is we need to check the which is the first voice. So to check the first voice, there are many ways. You can go and check to your local machine and all. You can get it from there, but I will suggest you to create a program like this. So as you can see I have commented this line, print voices 0.id. So here this is a list and it will print the first voice. So I will show you. I will first uncomment this and I will comment this one. I will save this and run this. So when I run this, so it's searching for the voices. So as you can see I have the first voice, which is the Microsoft Anna voice, installed in my computer, and which is the first voice. So I'm gonna use this one. So now as you can see I have set the property of the engine, which is the first. So here 0 stands for 1. If you don't know about the list, then you can go and check some videos about that, how the list works in Python. So I will just comment this and go. So I have created a function here, audio, and then it will say the engine.audio and engine.run and wait. So I think so you must know this. Okay, so this was the simple recognizer is same as that. So recognizer is same like that, as you can see here. So def take command, it takes the microphone input from the user and everything is same. And here what I have done is I have created another file which is AI bot. So this is gonna be a main file here. So we are going to work in this file. So let me show you. So yeah, so this is the main file. So as you can see I have imported the speech module. From speech import the star means everything, all the functions, and from recognizer import take command. So here we have created one take command function. So it has imported that take command function, and you can see here if name is equals to main, while root query is equals to take command dot lower. So I've commented this. I will just uncomment this. Yeah, so this is our main base of the file. Now let's start creating some things like what you can do. So this video will basically we are going to use the computer commands, like how to open calculator, MS Paint, or files of whichever file you want. So we are gonna work on that. So here before that what we will do, we will import the OS module. So import OS. So we are going to import the OS module, and here you need to then create a function. So the function may be def like for example Windows commands, and in the parenthesis you need to write query. So we'll write then query, and then we will write a command. So def Windows query. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna use the if else statements here. So for that we are gonna use if else statements. So we are gonna use if example calculator, if calculator in query. So what is this query? So query is this. Okay, so we have given the parenthesis query, and if it is in this, then it will take the command. So if calculator in query, then you can say os dot start 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 file. Then in the parentheses we need to write calc. So here the value you need to put is in the command prompt. For example, to open calculator you type calc or something like that. So same here, we need to do os.files calc, and then you can just use the speed function like speed. Okay, opening calculator. So you can just make a simple file like this, and then here you need to if name is equals to main, while to query is equals to take command dot lower. So here we have used the main command. If the loop is true, then it will take the query, it will take the command query in the lower command. So here we have created the function dev windows command query. So we will just copy this, and while true if it is, then we'll press windows command dot query. Let's save and run this. Let's see what's the output. So as you can see, it's working. And then yeah, so let's say something to it. So Friday, can you please open calculator? So it is now recognizing your voice, and so you can see it has opened calculator for us. Let me close this. So as you can see, it has open calculator for us. So how it has open calculator, let's see. So I have given if calculator in query. For example, if anywhere you say calculator, so it will open calculator. But sometimes what happens if you say don't open calculator, so calculator keyword is there, then it suddenly is open calculator because you said you don't want to open, but still it's open. To fix this, what you need to do is if calculator in query, and then you need to use the AND module. If calculator in query and open in query, okay, and open in query, then you need to follow this command, and then you can create more commands like this. Elif, so we are gonna use else if commands. So elif, let's say paint in query, okay. So then it has to os dot start file, you can say paint. So here it will open paint for us, but make sure you don't write paint here. You need to write ms paint because paint is a part of the Microsoft feature. So you need to write os dot start file ms paint, and then you can write speed. So I have opened paint for you. So like this you can make it. Then you can create more commands, endless commands, and then let me save this. So if I say so it's running calculator. So as you can see, I set calculator, but it didn't open calculator because as you can see, we have given if calculator and open calculator in query. So if I say open calculator, then it will open it. Let me say open calculator. So as you can see, it has recognized our voice.
Okay, opening calculator.
And it has open calculator for us. Simply you can open paint to open paint Friday. So as you can see, it has opened paint for us. So like this you can open multiple files. So let me show you some examples what all things you can make. So if calculator, then you can open calculator, paint, then you can give more things like if paint, or else you can say, wait, let us check what all things we have in accessories folder. So where is accessories? Yeah, so you can open command prompt, paint. Okay, let's try notepad. So elif notepad in query, then it will open notepad. Let me copy this. Oh sorry, let me copy these files here. So copy paste. Yeah, so if we say notepad, and it should open notepad here, notepad, and so I have opened notepad for you. And make sure whenever you write your last command, so you need to use else, then else you can write, for example, wordpad in query. Okay, with wordpad is a single word, so wordpad in query. Then I think so os.start file ms, I think so it's ms word or something like that, or os.start file wordpad, it's something like that. Don't know much of that wordpad, I think so. Let's save and run this. So we have got an error, invalid syntax. Okay, let's run it again. Unexpected index. Yeah, this speed. Yeah, so I think it's working now. So Friday, can you please open notepad for me? So it has a nice voice, and let's see what is the output. So notepad for me. So as you can see,
Sir, I have opened Notepad
so
for
as you
you.
can see, it has opened notepad for us. So like this, you can create so many functions and everything here. So in my next video, I will show you that whenever you will run the program, it will greet you according to the voice. I mean, if it is day, then it will say you good morning, sir. Or if it is good afternoon, so it will say good afternoon. Or it's evening, so good evening. You can also you can also ask what is time. You can also ask this AI to play music and everything. So we will do it step by step. So here you can create commands and all everything which are used by the accessories, default Microsoft commands. So we will continue the series in the next video. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please like the video, and if you want more tutorials, then subscribe to the channel. Till that, bye bye.